Marketing your bedbug business. Nearly every city in America offers a bedbug service opportunity, just waiting for a qualified professional to solve the bedbug problems of its residents. But in order to address those needs, you must be able to anticipate the concerns of your potential customers and address them in your marketing and procedures. Here are some tips to help you restore your customers' peace of mind and create lifelong clients for your pest control business. Show them the evidence. You may have heard marketing show don't tell, but if your marketing goes something like, "We provide superior treatment for bedbugs," you probably sound a lot like your competitors. Instead, use memorable taglines, quality images, informative graphics, and real-life examples of how you provide the best treatments around. Always go out of your way to show your customers what makes you different from the competition. Marketing messages to avoid. Fear tactics and broken promises are never the right way to gain customers. Your marketing should be calm and emphasize that you are here to help customers reclaim their home from bedbugs. The most effective bedbug professionals dispel myths and fears and offer their customers expert resources. Never make a promise you can't keep. This is absolutely key in any business. Be honest with yourself and your customers. Don't make a guarantee that you can't meet or exceed. Effective messages for your business. Everyone wants their bedbug problem to be solved quickly. Make sure your response time, policy, and guarantee, if you offer one, is known to all your customers. The faster you can respond to potential jobs, the better. Additionally, potential clients want to know what they can expect from your services. It's a good idea to walk your customers through the entire inspection, treatment, and any follow-up appointments. Always be upfront and honest with your customers about the time and the effort you're putting into their treatment. Educate your clients. The more they know, the better. Give them tips on what they can do to avoid future infestations. Not only will this help spread accurate information about bedbugs, this will also help your treatments be more successful and encourage people to refer their friends and family to your business. Marketing topics. Here are a few items you can consider covering in your marketing materials. Bedbug biology and pictures, how to identify a bedbug problem, how to prevent bedbugs from infesting your home, which treatment options work best. Need help coming up with marketing materials that cover these topics? Convectex has you covered. Check out our pre-made marketing materials or contact us to purchase a customized version of our most popular and practical materials. How to reach your prospects. Getting your name out there in the community and online is pivotal to your success. Here are some ideas to help you advertise your business. 1. Become an IBBRA member and have your business listed on their worldwide listing for qualified bedbug professionals. 2. Offer bedbug heater rentals through rentbedbugheaters.com and get leads sent directly to your email or website. 3. Advertise your business in local newspapers, radio stations, publications, and etc. 4. Conduct a seminar for your commercial prospects that offers valuable information to help them manage their bedbug issues. 5. Attend home shows and other events in your area. 6. Utilize social media, Google Ads, and your website to boost your online search results. Convectex is here to help your bedbug business become as successful as possible, providing quality heat treatments with Convectex bedbug heat equipment, and putting your best foot forward with the optimized website and quality marketing materials that are professionally designed by the Convectex team will give you the competitive advantage you need to be successful. For more information, check out our full Business in a Box package.